So we're at Krave. Tonight is the Italian theme night. It is a buffet restaurant here in the southern part of Trinidad and Tobago. Had an interview here, and then I met up with some of my vlogging and blogging friends. Franca here, one of the inspiration behind what I do. One of the original gangsters when it comes to food blogging from a Caribbean perspective.
Alright. Yeah, we have 3 meats available and we have a salmon. It's a salmon in a bell pepper sauce. Here we have a stewed Italian beef. This we bring to top of the pan. Sorry. Yes. Lamb is a vegetable. Yeah, okay. We also have a rice. We just have a rice here with pesto. Okay. And also here we have a vegetable. It's a garlic butter with corn. Alright.
Nice to see you. Good day. I hope there's some tarragon in it. Tarragon. Nice.
Sorry.
This here is the seafood soup that I'm going to try.
I mean, we got lunch.
This is a mango mojito from the Mojito King in the back of the bar. Who just so happens to be a fan of Caribbean pot as well.
Thank you.
So I started with the Sicilian chicken. And over here we've got the salmon lasagna, which I kind of hacked up. It was looking much better in the tray. I'm going to try this. I'm not a huge fan of pasta, but it is looking rather delicious.
So this is Krave's twist on our gimlet. Except we like to do things a step further. So a usual gimlet would be vodka, lime, simple syrup, topped with soda. This is Krave. We go a step up. We change the vodka to Kavasi, so you have that nice cognac. We keep the lime, but then we put a little flour inside of it to boost the taste. Then add some fresh rosemary.
Yes, Grenadians do it.
Next up, I went up with the linguine. Got some spinach in there, some black olive, shrimp.
The thing is, you ever taste a Grenadian oil, no? They own oil, yeah? We need to stop. We need to step back.
Yeah.
That's not them. Yeah, that's not it.
It's all about desserts now.
You're with the program.
I have a very important question.
Yes, sir.
Any of these things have passion fruit in it?
Yes. One has passion.
Why do I passion fruit?
I will be
Partaking.
sampling part.
I thought you had to choose.
And they're content to be basic and proud to brag about being basic.
Okay, I don't know, but my
Talk about this all the time. There's ignorant and proud. Yeah. You know,
that's something, yeah?
proud is the hashtag that we use for most of our population. Talk about that.
that's probably, I don't know, but my
My name is Sylvester, representing as one of the mixologists here at Krave Modern Chic Dining in South Trinidad. One of the premier spots, trending spots. We are definitely known as the trendsetters in the country when it comes to cocktails, food, and everything F&B culinary, right? So today what I'm going to be making for you is a mojito, but of course we do things with a twist. So the mojito we're going to be making this evening is a strawberry mojito made with fresh strawberries as well as puree. Right? We use the ingredients that we usually use with mojitos. So you have your fresh mint leaves, you have limes, some fresh lime juice, we have our white rum, and of course no drink is complete without the garnish. So this is the garnish for the drink. I'm going to start making the drink for you now. So starting on this side, we're going to put fresh mint leaves into our mixing tin. Just about 8 to 10. Yeah? Right. Then we're gonna have 3 lime wedges. And what we're gonna add to that is a little bit of simple syrup, which is a nice sugar syrup. Adds a little bit of sweet tip, and it also brings all the flavors together, or marries the flavors together, as we say. So I'm just going to get that a gentle muddle. Now what you want to do when muddling is to really press into the lime to release the juices, but don't press too much into the leaves to break it apart. What you really want to do with that is just merely give it a light crush, which releases the oils in the mint.
Now, if you overwork it, it'll become bitter at some point, I guess?
Sometimes it does. It depends on how fresh your mint leaves are.
Oh, okay.
So you always try to get the freshest of mint leaves as well. Remember, fresh ingredients is always better. Alright?
Yeah.
Nice. So to this, I'm going to add just a little bit. Just about a half ounce of the strawberry puree. Alright? Give that a mix. To that, we add our white rum. And lime juice. Let this all combine right here. And then we're gonna half our glass first with ice. Now, remember we're doing strawberry.
Yeah.
So people also eat and drink with their eyes. So we add to the glass some nice fresh pieces of strawberry. And some mint. Spread that around inside of there. Remember, it doesn't have to be totally equal, but you still want it to look good, you know? We're going to go up a little more tonight. That will just basically cover the fresh fruit and stop it from rising.
Okay.
Alright? So now that we have this fully incorporated, I'm just going to strain that. Into the glass. Now after doing that, remember we say we do things a little bit differently.
Yeah.
The usual or the original mojito is topped with soda, but this is Krave. So we top with fresh sparkling wine. That gives it that nice effervescence, brings the entire thing together, and it brings it sweet, not too sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
So we just get same thing, we're using the Asti. And remember I said, people eat and drink with their eyes. So, garnish. And that completes our strawberry sparkling mojito.
Love it. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, eh? Yeah, what's up, soldiers? Chris here. You know, we Gallivanting, Krave, Trinidad and Tobago, southern part of the island. Your boy hometown. I grew up not too far from there. Went to school not too far from there. What can I say? Special thanks to the management and staff at Krave, you guys. The ambience, the service, the food, having fresh made food in front of us and stuff like that. Love it. Camera's shaking because I have it on my Gorilla tripod here, which I'm holding on my hand, so I do apologize for the shakiness of the video. I won't be much longer. Now, I didn't focus much on the food and stuff while I was there like I normally do in these videos, simply because, you know, I was surrounded by my peers. We had TV personalities there, we had vloggers, bloggers, creators, writers. We were all in attendance there, and we were just having a good time. So I do apologize for that. Special thanks to my friends who invited me out for this wonderful dinner. Krave, Trinidad and Tobago, if you're ever in town, do check them out. This Sunday, I think it's the Sunday brunch I see a lot of people talking about on social media. But don't miss it. Nighttime, you know, evening, you want to spend a time with your BFF. Yeah, go check out Krave, man. Vibes it up.